What's up friends, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to convert MP4 files to AVI using the VLC player. So what I'm going to do guys, I'm going to simply open up my downloads here and I'm going to simply find a video file. And as you can see, I have a video file here, and this video file is an MP4 video file. As you can see to the right hand side here, it is showing that MP4, right? And if I right click on the video file here, I will simply go to the properties here of the video. You will be able to see that it is an MP4 video file, right? So how do we do that? Now, what you want to do, just simply go ahead and you want to open up your VLC player. So I'm going to simply type VLC here and open up my VLC player. Now, once you're inside VLC player, guys, you simply want to go ahead and click on media and you will see convert/save. You want to tap on that. And from here now, guys, you want to go ahead and add that file. So simply go ahead and click on add. You want to find the location of that particular video file. So it was in the downloads, as you can see, and this was the video file, right? So I'm going to tap on that and I'm going to simply click open. Now what you want to do, just simply click on convert/save here, and this will open up the options that you can choose. You can choose a location. So where you want to save it, you want to go ahead and choose a location as well. I'm going to simply go ahead and leave it in the downloads folder. However, you want to ensure that you change the name of the file from MP4, because VLC player comes up when you're about to save the file, it will comes up with the current file format of the current file. So you want to change this from .mp4 to AVI, right? Like that. And you want to click and save here. Now what you want to do, you want to also click on the gear right here. And once you tap on this gear, guys, you'll be able to have all the options. So as you can see, you have many options here and you want to go ahead and choose that AVI. So you want to click on AVI here and you want to go ahead and click on save. Now once you click on save, all you have to do is just simply go ahead and click on start. And you will see that it is currently converting that video file for me. Now once this is finished, I'm going to show you the file. Alright guys, the conversion is now complete. So I'm going to go ahead and close out of this VLC right here and go back to my downloads. Now, as you can see, I now have my file here and the video is ready. And as you can see, as I hover over it, the file format is a .avi file format. And I can simply go ahead and I can open up this video file, guys. So I can simply go ahead and open up that with VLC player. As you can see, go ahead and select the VLC here. And as you can see, the video is playing, guys. And it has a VLC format. So that's it, guys. That's how easy it is to use VLC to convert video files. And as I show you here, you can convert the MP4 to that AVI file. Very easy and very simple.